This is the story of a man who was completely stuck in life. No money, no direction, no hope. Until one morning, everything changed. Not because he got lucky, not because someone gave him a chance, but because of one simple thing. He started doing every single morning. And what happened next might change your life too. Before we begin, what time do you wake up every day? Be honest. Drop it in the comments. And if you want more stories like this, like and subscribe. In a quiet town where nothing ever changed, there lived a 29-year-old man named Daniel. He worked at a small shop. Long hours, low pay. Every day felt exactly the same. Wake up late, rush to work, come home tired, scroll until midnight, sleep, repeat. His room was small, his fan barely worked, but his dreams felt even smaller. And every night, as he stared at the ceiling in silence, one question kept coming back. Is this really my life? He wasn't lazy. He tried, applied for better jobs, watched motivational videos, promised himself, tomorrow I'll start. But tomorrow never came. Until one morning. Daniel woke up earlier than usual, not by choice. No noise, no distractions, just silence. He checked the time, 5:02 a.m. He tried to go back to sleep, but something felt different. For the first time in a long time, his mind was quiet. No stress, no pressure, just clarity. And then a thought hit him. What if I use this time? That moment changed everything. He sat up, picked up his phone, but this time he didn't scroll. He searched how to learn a high-income skill. That was day one. The first week, pain. His body resisted. His mind fought back. Just sleep. Start tomorrow. But he didn't stop. Every morning, 5 a.m., no excuses. He showed up, tired, unmotivated, but present. He learned, slowly, quietly, consistently. Then something started to change. After a few weeks, his mind got sharper. Things started making sense. For the first time, he felt progress. By the second month, he had real skills. Not motivation, skills. Then came the moment that changed everything. One afternoon at work, his boss was stuck. Numbers, data, confusion. Daniel hesitated. His heart was racing. Then he spoke. I think I can fix it. Minutes later, the problem was gone. Silence. His boss looked at him differently. Where did you learn this? Daniel smiled. Early mornings. A few weeks later, his life changed. New role, better pay, new beginning. All because of something simple, something small, something most people ignore. One decision, repeated every morning. A year later, Daniel's life was unrecognizable. Better home, more money, peace of mind. But the real change wasn't outside. It was who he became. Disciplined, focused, in control. And it all started with one question. What if I use my mornings? Now let me ask you, what are you doing every morning? Sleeping through your future or building it? You don't need luck. You don't need connections. You don't need permission. You just need to start. Tomorrow morning, 5 a.m. No excuses. Try it for 30 days, just 30, and watch your life change. If you're serious, like this video as your commitment and comment, I'm starting tomorrow. Because your future is not waiting someday, it's waiting for you tomorrow morning.